Hi there, my name is Phil. I am a product designer at MyCase, here today to show you how to get started using MyCase Drive. Now that you've installed MyCase Drive, you are ready to start easily and securely opening, editing, and managing all of your case documents right from your desktop. Let's start by launching the MyCase desktop app, which can be found in your Windows menu under Recently Added, or you can search for it here as well. Once running, you'll want to sign in if you haven't already signed in during installation previously. Once signed in, you will find all of your cases with their accompanying case documents in the MyCase M Drive, found under this PC. On Mac, you will find your MyCase Drive in the localhost location of your File Explorer. All of your documents are now easily accessible from your computer, giving you instant desktop access to documents stored in the MyCase cloud, so you never have to manually upload or download a document from MyCase again. Let's jump into a case. We recommend enabling the preview pane under the View tab to more easily browse your case documents. From your case folders, you can start editing any of your case files and documents and have your changes synced right back to the cloud. All your edits and version history of changed documents are stored safely on MyCase on the web. You can also start moving documents to their appropriate locations right from your computer, as well as deleting files and folders that are no longer needed on the cloud. Any documents that live on your computer, whether in a shared server, Dropbox, or your desktop, can now be migrated easily and in bulk right to their appropriate folder in MyCase. These files are immediately uploaded to the cloud so that they can be easily viewed and managed by your firm. Try saving new documents right to their designated case folder, saving you time and keeping you organized. It's now easier than ever to take your case documents and upload them directly to systems like Outlook, Gmail, Adobe, or online e-filing systems. We hope you enjoyed this MyCase Drive usage guide, and we're excited to see how Drive streamlines your firm's workflow within MyCase.